I want to demonstrate for you how to use this digital thermometer. So first, you simply turn it on.
Please measure. Your body temperature is 97.9 Fahrenheit degrees.
Very easy to use, right? And call me old school, but I'm a big fan of these. You know, the new modern ones where you point it at your forehead, they work fine, but sometimes I just want to know what the temperature is inside my mouth, not from my forehead. And this is so easy to use, and the fact that it has the voice also helps with those that are having trouble reading the digital readout, which is quite large, by the way. Very cool product, very functional product. I recommend it.